PSU is an acronym for Power Supply Unit, and it's an internal computer component that's used to convert alternative current into direct current. The component converts AC into DC and then regulates the output of voltage into direct current. The alternative current constantly changes directions and is found in your main energy supply. Direct current is similar to a battery because it flows in one direction. The converted energy is used to provide power to numerous internal components within the case, such as the motherboard, optical cables, disk drives, etc. Power supply units come in many form factors such as ATX, SFX, ITX, etc. So make sure that the PSU is compatible with your motherboard and case before you carry out an upgrade. When purchasing a power supply unit, consider the wattage. The greater the wattage rating, the more the power supply unit can provide. It's important to evaluate how much power your components require to operate effectively.